It is now slightly over a month since the window closed on interested members of the public to be enjoined in a landmark class action suit against 43 commercial banks in the country. So far, 400 Kenyans have applied to be enjoined in the case, which is seeking to prove that the said commercial banks failed to get the approval of the Central Bank of Kenya and the then finance ministers to increase their bank charges. Appearing before the Court of Appeal judges William Ouko, Philomena Mwilu and Patrick Kiage, the lawyers representing the Kenya Bankers Association and those representing the public presented their arguments.
The court sets out
the KBA legal team led by Kenneth Fraser sought to have the case heard at the Supreme Court to determine whether or not the case against the banks should proceed. This, the lawyers argued, would save both parties costs and time.
What's the case of?
In a rebuttal, Gishuki Waigwa, appearing on behalf of Rose Florence Wanjiru and the public, argued that the case should be allowed to proceed at the Court of Appeal. Gishuki further said that there's need to compel banks to release past bank statements to all the individuals that have registered to be enjoined in the case, considering that a number of them are yet to get their statements.
Since the banks are parties to this suit, we applied to the court so that the banks can be ordered to release statements to those people who have been enjoined in the case. The forensic accountant's work will be to calculate all those charges that have been increased without the minister's approval.
The hearing on the application by members of the public who've registered to join the case is scheduled for the 26th of this month. Thereafter, depending on the court's ruling, both the public and the banks will have to prepare witness statements in preparation for a pre-trial conference. Both sides will now have to wait until the 31st of October when the three-judge bench from the Court of Appeal will deliver the ruling on today's hearing. Bella Genga, Citizen Business Center.